What is that? It's a fucking tornado. Holy shit. What? That thing's huge. Alright guys, we are almost here. And you can tell that we're almost here because we are about to see thousands of wind turbines. Oh yeah. Palm Springs. Is that a palm tree plantation? That is a palm tree plantation. They're growing palm trees. It's not a crop or like a farm for food. It's palm trees. I don't know why I never thought that existed before now. But there you go. That's funny. There's just like thousands of palm trees. I could pass them, but I just want this to like sink in for a minute. Like, where should you be so that this doesn't happen? I can't do it, guys. I can't shut up about it. I'm supposed to be on vacation, not worrying about this dumb shit. But I can't do it. Yeah, the temperature's gone up 15 degrees. It's about 95 now. It was like 80. God damn it, I just want a drink. I want some purple drink. I got my sippy straw. Oh, so good. This is the best investment I've ever made, I swear. Is that water pouch, man. It's just like a 100 milliliter? I don't know. I think it's 100 ounces. I don't know. I can't remember now. I think it's 100 ounces. It's just a bag you stick in your backpack and you have a fucking long straw with it. It's freaking brilliant. Dude, those things are so massive. I almost want to just get like right up next to one just to see how big it really is. I love how they'll like all be turning and then there's one that's like, fuck you guys. Like that one on the end there. It's like, yeah, no, not gonna do it. Oh shit, one's like done in the middle over there. It doesn't even have the head anymore. Fuck. Wonder what happened to that one. Holy shit. Why? Why is that a thing? Jeez, that seems really dangerous. I am not getting lost today.
Alright, so where the fuck am I? 60 to the 91 south-ish, east, I don't know, west. 60, 91, 55, 22. Jesus. Okay. 60, 91, 55, 22. 60, 91, 55, 22. Alright. I've said that like 50 bazillion times now. 60, 91, 55, 22. 60, 91, 55, 22.
Oh, where the fuck am I going? What the shit is this? Alright, maybe I'm just a fucking idiot. I didn't read that this was an exit. Oh no. Guys, where am I going? Where am I going? Oh, this all just meets together again? Alright, that's good. Okay, crisis averted. Dude, God, finally. The roads here are shit. Did that say it's 2 persons per vehicle, carpool lane, 24 hours? Because where we are, it's certain times a day. And if this is 24 hours, then this person in front of me is a fucking dick. 2+ person. Oh yeah, you're gonna fucking get out of here now, huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, 1 person in there. Dude, if I could ride around during the day and have it be like 80 degrees like this in Phoenix, holy shit. It's the same time of year. It's 112 degrees back home. We're nowhere near the beach. It's 85 fucking degrees. It's beautiful. If I was riding on the freeway like this back at home, fuck that. I'd be miserable.
Let the beat drop.